Hey guys, this is the BlackWeb 4-device HDMI switch with remote control. I got this yesterday. I'll explain later on how I got it. But so far, from what I've seen on Walmart.com, this has mostly a four to 5 star rating. Basically, people enjoy it. Mostly positive reviews. BlackWeb has proven to be a good brand. As a matter of fact, the speakers I have up there on my computer are BlackWeb. They're basically the more elite brand for the company I work for, which is Walmart. On basically is like the secondary brand, like right behind it. Like it's a good brand, but it's not like the elite. This is more like if you compared how do I put it? It's like if you compared like a store branded food or cereal to a well branded. Like if you compared Great Value Frosted Flakes to Kellogg's Frosted Flakes or whatever, you could see that they're similar, but they're totally different. Another thing, or you could compare it to Great Value Frosted Flakes to Sam's Club Frosted Flakes, something like that. That's basically how you could look at this. It's basically giving better treatment, and like I said, it's gotten about very positive reviews. So, with that said, let's see, what it looks like. And I am watching the Army-Navy game right now. So, but while I'm doing this, so let's see what this looks like, shall we? Okay, so here it is out of the box. Now, in the box, I don't know if you can see that, but that's what's in the box right there. See? So, yeah, that's what it looks like. Basically. So, of course, you have an instruction manual. And then here, you have a USB cord that comes with it. Something that a lot of these HDMI switches have been coming with lately, including some of the more expensive ones, is you get a remote. It looks like it takes like C batteries. Not C batteries, but yeah, the C batteries. Not C batteries, but the coin batteries, if you will. So that's interesting. And then here, right here, if we can situate this better. I want to use the remote there. We have the device itself, and it's pretty small, as a lot of people have said. But this is the device right here. So here's the device right here. You get the power button right there. I think the sensor right there. Matter of fact, hold on for a sec. You can there. I just zoomed it in a bit more. Sorry about that. That kind of helps out. Sorry for the blur. Mind focus. So you have the select button. So you have a sensor. And right here, there's the indicators to let you know which switch is on or which number is on. There have been a few people that have complained that it doesn't work, but I think it does. I think some of those people are just competitors. But there you can see. And then on the back here, of course, you have the switch. You have your HDMI deal right there. Then you have the additional switches right there, the first four right there, and then the out switch right there to go into your television or whatever you're going to plug it into. So, yeah. So you have input 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then the output, then right there. Obviously, you're going to need a plug for it, so I have a plug somewhere. Don't have to worry about that. But yeah, pretty cool. Let me put it back in there. And then, like I said, you got the remote here. Very simple. Press 1 for the HDMI switch 1, then 2. Basically, here you go, like, if you want to go to switch 1, like for a DVD, switch 2 for Blu-ray, Ruco, game, and then on next. Very simple. Looks like. And then, of course, you have the instruction manual right here. I'll turn it upside down. Turn it up right side up, I should say. Control shows you what it's capable, what it can be associated with. Gives you a safety notice and all that. Plug and play, very easy to use. Let me zoom out a little bit, make it easier for you guys. There you go.
He was making them from 50 yards. He's got a very strong leg. Yes, a 40-yard drive in 9 plays. Get those from 37. Yes, keeping it in there. 24-7. The Russians put the first man on the moon.
See? So yeah, that's the instructions. So it should be easy to do for me. But yeah, that's what it is. It's kind of like with the HDMI switch I have on my AV to HDMI converter back there. Basically, it's got a USB, you can connect to a TV. But I think it also allows you to do a power source as well, a DC power source as well. So yeah, overall, not too bad. And I'll be back in a moment to probably let you see what it looks like if I get it connected correctly. Alright, so I can't find any extension cord for it just yet, so I'm going to have to get one later. But when I do, I will show you guys what this thing looks like in action, and it should be workable. It's got, like I said, about... Pretty much, like I said, it's got pretty much... what I'm trying to say is it's gotten a lot of good reviews, so I'll check it out later. I have to get an additional extension to use it with. So unless I find one here, then I'll do it. But till then, just thought I'd show you what it is, and let me know if any of you guys have something like this and how it works for you. Peace out.